Have you ever wondered why some skin looks great and supple? The answer may be simpler than you think. Enough directly affects the appearance of the skin. Proper influence on the health of the globe. It is the skin that is healthy from the inside. Just as food performance leads to car performance, health makes it at its best. How does food affect the skin? Moisturizing from the inside, it is the basis of life, and the skin is no exception. A sufficient amount of water keeps the skin hydrated and prevents dehydration. They are also rich in nutrients such as fruits that contribute to skin hydration. Anti-aging, it contains many nutrients containing antioxidants that destroy cellular cells and accelerate aging. Vitamin C and vitamin E are two of the most important nutrients that help the production of elastin, the second of which acquires skin tone. Increases the output. Omega-3 enriches such as fish and flaxseed help to reduce the output of the body, reducing the appearance of grain and beauty. Helps to improve skin tone. Vitamin A and vitamin E help cell regeneration and color. Also, iron helps to transport oxygen to the cells, which gives the skin a healthy appearance. The most important nutrients. Nutrients with dietary vitamins and antinutrients. Walnuts and seeds, an excellent source of healthy fats and vitamin E. Dedicated to fish. 3. Whole grains, they contain fiber, which helps to maintain the health of the body. Water, drink enough water throughout the day. Tips for obtaining nutrients. Eat balanced meals, be sure to eat all diets. Reduction of industrial substances, these are industrial residues and adversely affect the health of the soil. Basic sport helps to improve blood circulation and cell nutrition. Get enough sleep helps to regenerate and clean cells. Sun protection from the sun, use sunscreen. It's over. Proper nutrition is the key to getting a healthy diet. By choosing the right method and practicing healthy eating habits, you can improve the appearance of your health notes.